This is a genius product. It's a collaboration between Swatch and Omega. And the packaging of this box is really awesome. Around the packaging, we actually have specific stats on the different planets of the galaxy. At the back of the packaging, it will show you all the different swatches that's made for this particular series. Each watch has a different color, and each color represents a different planet. But the one I managed to get is Mission to Mars. I managed to get hold of this watch. It was in South Africa, and it was 4,900 Rand, which is pretty decently priced considering that Omega is a very high-end watch, and you can now have an Omega and a Swatch collaboration around your wrist. So the packaging in itself is, like I said, it's pretty cool. I've managed to get Mission to Mars, and it's gonna be red because we can see from the out box of this particular package, it's already got a red theme. Opening the box, we have the Omega watch itself. It's got red dials, it's got a chronograph, and it's got the Omega brand on there. Now if I take out the watch, over here we have the Omega brand, as you can see, and on the inside of the watch it's got Omega and Swatch, and on the other side of the band it's got Swatch. It's got a Velcro strap, and I find it to be really cool. It's cool, got a cool design. It's the Speedmaster series, also it's got Speedmaster written inside there. There is one more thing to add. This collaboration we don't see rather often, having a high-end brand and a more affordable brand come together. That's why I feel that this particular watch could increase in value over the years. And this is why